children.
Hello, curious explorers in the Knowledge Park. Have you ever tried to delete a photo, but your computer did not let you? Or maybe you could open a document, but you were not able to change anything in it? This is not the computer being mean. These are digital guards keeping everything in order. Today, I learned what file permissions are and who decides what we can do with our data on the computer. I invited everyone to discover together who holds the keys to the digital doors. In the stone corner, I met the bee and the cat. The bee was convinced that files have moods. If a file is in a bad mood, it simply will not open, and you have to wait until it feels better. The cat, on the other hand, thought that persuasion is the most important thing. He believed that to delete a file, you have to meow at it long and loud enough until it finally gives in and deletes itself. I explained to them that permissions are not about the file's emotions or the strength of your voice, but about clear rules set by the owner, which the computer always follows. Under the great tree, I met the guinea pig and the frog. The guinea pig talked about her job, where she tests programs. She gave an example. She has access to a folder with test results, where she can create and change her own reports, but she can only open and read the files from other testers without being able to change them. The frog, who designs applications, shared an example with a graphic file. She said she gave her friend an icon for a new game, but only gave him permission to view it. He could not edit or accidentally delete it, which protected her work. I agreed with them that these are great examples showing how different permissions allow for safe cooperation. On the bridge over the stream, I met the rat and the dog. I decided to test their knowledge and asked what they knew about file permissions. The rat explained that there are 3 basic types. He said that read is the right to open a file and look at its contents without being able to change anything. He added that write is the right to edit the file, meaning you can add, change, or remove data. The dog added that the 3rd type is execute. He said this is a special permission that lets the operating system run the file as a program or script. I praised them for their knowledge, summing up that these 3 permissions, read, write, and execute, create a system of access control that is the foundation of data security. Dear researchers, today I learned that the world of files has its own rules and guardians. I understood that permissions are like digital keys that protect our data, allowing only certain people to read, change, or run them. Thanks to these keys, there is order and safety in the virtual world. I hope that from now on, you will manage access to your treasures with more awareness. See you during the next discoveries in the Knowledge Park.